Welcome 2026 with learning sessions from Visual Studio. Looking to level up your development skills this year? The Visual Studio team has lined up high-impact learning sessions to help you build faster, smarter, and with more confidence in 2026. Must-watch Visual Studio Live playlists. Over the holidays, the Visual Studio team curated 19 standout Visual Studio Live sessions, covering everything from Visual Studio 2026 and C# source generators to next-level debugging with GitHub Copilot and advanced .NET techniques. What makes Visual Studio Live different? Visual Studio Live is built for hands-on learning. You code as you learn, solve real-world problems, and engage directly with experts shaping Visual Studio, .NET, and Azure. Choose your immersion in 2026. Join one of two immersive Visual Studio Live events this year: Las Vegas from March 16th to 20th, 2026, or Visual Studio Live at Microsoft HQ from July 27th to 31st, 2026. Why join Visual Studio Live? Get access to registration discounts, subscriber or not, and connect with the people behind Visual Studio, .NET, Azure, and GitHub Copilot, along with a global developer community. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.